Ever felt lost ordering at a restaurant? How do you confidently order food in English like a native? Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Lina. Today, we're going to master essential English phrases for restaurants. We'll learn how to make a reservation, place your order, and handle tricky situations. Let's make sure you never feel lost again. From making reservations to ordering food, and even handling unexpected situations. This video will make you a pro at restaurant English. First, let's learn how to make a reservation over the phone. Here's a common scenario. Hello, I'd like to make a reservation for tomorrow, July 5th at 7 p.m. It's for 2 people under the name Lina.
Okay, a table for 2 on July 5th at 7 p.m. under Lina. Is that correct?
Yes, that's correct. Thank you.
I'm sorry. We are fully booked at that time. We have a table at 8 p.m. Would that work for you?
You can accept or politely decline the alternative. Yes, 8 p.m. works, thank you. Or, no, thank you. We'll try another time. Always confirm the details before ending the call. It saves time and prevents misunderstandings. Now, let's move on to arriving at the restaurant and getting seated. When you arrive, if you have a reservation, just say, "Hi, I have a reservation under Lina." No reservation? No problem. You can simply ask for a table. A table for 2, please. And if you have a special request, like a window seat, could we have a table by the window, if possible?
Right this way. Your table is ready.
Remember to always be polite and smile. A little politeness goes a long way. Time to look at the menu. How do you ask for it or clarify dishes? If the menu isn't on your table, you can ask, "Excuse me, could I see the menu, please?" Not sure what to order? Ask for a recommendation. What do you recommend? If a dish name is unfamiliar, just ask, "What exactly is the Loco Moco?" For dietary restrictions, ask directly like this. Is this vegetarian? Or is this spicy? Always check for allergens. Does this contain nuts? Or is there any shellfish in this? Don't be afraid to ask questions. It ensures you get exactly what you want. Now that you've picked your dish, let's order confidently. When you're ready, simply state your order. I'll have the grilled salmon, please. And don't forget your drink. And a sparkling water, please. At a cafe, you might say, a grande latte with oat milk, please. And at a fast food place, you can say, I'll have a Big Mac combo, please. Need to customize your order? Ask to remove ingredients. Could I get that with no onions, please? You can also ask for substitutions. Could I substitute the fries for a side salad? Always speak clearly and precisely when ordering. It prevents mistakes. Let's look at some common mistakes and how to fix them politely. Instead of being too direct like, I want a burger, try this polite way. I'll have the burger, please. If you can't pronounce a dish, don't worry. Simply point and say, could you point to that, please? If there's a mistake, avoid saying, this is wrong. Instead, try to be polite. Excuse me, there might be a mistake with my order. Remember, politeness and clarity are your best tools in any situation. You've got this. Now you're truly a restaurant English pro. I'd like to make a reservation. What do you recommend? I'll have the... Excuse me, there might be a mistake. Keep practicing these phrases, and you'll be speaking confidently in no time. Your English journey continues. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope it was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. See you next time!